So let's just talk about nested routing in React Router. So the nested routing basically allows us to organize and manage complex routing structure. So the nested routing is basically useful for building multi-page applications where we have subpages. So suppose we have one URL / dashboard, then we can implement that with single route. So we can simply use one route with the path dashboard and we can implement that URL. But suppose we have /dashboard / profile, or if we have /dashboard / settings. So because here we have subpages, in that case we need to use nested routing. So under this parent route we can have some child routes. So we can have multiple child routes. Now to implement the subpage /dashboard / profile, we can have this nested route with the path profile. Similarly, to implement /dashboard / settings, we can have another nested route with the path settings. Now this way we can add multiple nested routes and we can implement complex routing structure with the subpages. So the nested routing has several advantages. So first of all, here we can better organize the code. Secondly, here we can perform layout sharing. So here the parent route can share the layout across multiple child routes. And thirdly, we can implement dynamic route handling. So with this nested structure, we can handle dynamic routes or even deeply nested views based on the app's requirement. So these are the advantages of using nested routes. So let's now create some nested routes. So under this about path, we can create the team and the profiles. Under this about, we're gonna create some nested route with the path, team and the profile. And the team will render the element team and the profile will render the element profile. So if we go to the URL about /team, then this will render the element team, and if we go to /about /profile, then we're gonna render the element profile. Now let's define the team and the profile components. So here we're just gonna simply define the team component, which will return team page. Similarly, also we're gonna define profile component, and this will simply return profile page. So because we are rendering the team and the profile under this about page, so we have to specify where we wanted to render these two components under this about page. So here in the about component definition, so we're gonna use the outlet. So because we are using outlet, make sure to import outlet from the React Router DOM. So here we're basically saying that whenever we go to the URL /about /team, then at the place of this outlet, render this team element. And also whenever we go to /about /profile, then at the place of outlet, render the profile element. So the outlet basically a placeholder for the nested child component. Eventually this will be replaced by any one of the child components. So currently we are on the home page. So if we go to /about, then this will render the about page. Now if we wanted to go to the sub pages, so if we wanted to go to /about /team, then you can see under this about header, the team page has been rendered, and that is because of the outlet. Similarly, also we can go to /about /profile, and this will render the profile page under this about page header. So this way we can render the nested route, and we can use the outlet to specify where to render all of these sub pages. So hope you understand about nested route in React. See you in the next one. Take care.